How to use animated emojis on Discord. Want to bring your chats to life with fun moving emojis? Animated emojis add that extra flair, and here is how you can use them in your server or DMs. Let's get started. First things first, open Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Now go to the server where you want to add animated emoji. Use animated emojis in your server. If your server has animated emojis uploaded, you can use them by typing their name with colons like dance party just like static emojis but they move. Now, to add the animated emojis to your server needs to be boosted to level 1 or higher. Once boosted, you can upload GIF emojis the same way as normal ones. Go to server settings, then emoji, then upload emoji. Upload a GIF file of max 256 KB. To send animated emojis from your servers in your chats, you need Discord Nitro subscription. Nitro lets you use any emoji, animated or static, across all servers. Type the emoji name with colons and select it from the emoji picker and enjoy moving magic. And that's how you use animated emojis on Discord, add personality and fun to every message. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.